Hi everyone, Hannah here. I'm super excited to share with you our new collection for July, Au Revoir. And what inspired this collection? The meaning of the word au revoir is good day or goodbye. Some of you know, as I have expressed in the newsletter, the website technical issues that I've been having for, about the last 7 or 8 months now. It's just become too much for me to handle. And I'm basically just saying, good day to you, goodbye. And I'm just going to focus on the fun aspect of the business. All of the technical issues, it just sucked it all out for me to the point to where I didn't even want to do the business anymore at all. And realizing that that was the culprit, I'm saying goodbye to it. And I've always wanted to go to France, to the countryside, and so that's the inspiration behind this month's collection. So this collection has some very calming colors in it, beautiful patterns, and just something very calming. This picture is one of my favorites. She's just sitting there reminiscing, enjoying the scenery around her, letting her mind wander. This is a page that would correspond well with that one as far as the color scheme goes, and just very neutral color. And I just really love this page. This one, she's taking a stroll through Paris, and I just wanted to tone down the background colors and have her as the focal point. This page here just kind of reintroduces that, goes along with it, just strolling through Paris. And this one here, she is picking roses from her rose garden, just a very relaxing thing to do. And this is a page that goes along with that as far as the color scheme, and I wanted to have some neutral colors as well as pops of pink. And this is a fun interactive page. You could use it as your journal cover, fold it in half, or you could cut out the individual elements and, make some embellishments for your junk journal. And I love the blue in this page. This one, she's enjoying, time on the boat, in the French Riviera, and this page goes along with that. Just very peaceful colors of blue to go with that. And so we've got our little kind of junk journal folded up together here. And basically you'll get 2 feet, and it's about 2.5 inches wide, and 2 feet of this beautiful white rose lace. And then we've also got a couple of little tags, pinned together with a little charm. And you've got embossing powder, wax seals, and buttons. And then you've got some more tags or just pieces of ephemera that you can use in your journal. We've got this beautiful lace here. You can use it as a pocket, cut strips of it to make some embellishments. We've got this beautiful, it's a lightweight upholstery material. I love the colors. I love the hints of the blue and the yellow in it. I thought it went really well with the overall colors of the collection this month. And then you'll receive these 2 pages, this napkin for decoupage, vintage page out of a story, and some tea-dyed pages. We've got some glassine paper. I just absolutely love this. You could cut and make some little envelopes and tea dye them, coffee stain them, ink them up. And then we've got a couple of pages here. It's a drawing paper, and it's real nice and thick. and it has like gold lining on the edges. I don't know if the camera's really picking it up, but it has a nice textural component to it, kind of like a linen paper. Very, very nice. And then in our envelope, we've got the journaling cards. We decided to go ahead and cut those out so that way they are ready for your use. And just beautiful images from our actual collection, some that would correspond with, coordinate with the collection. And I just absolutely love all the images, the countryside. I've got a couple of vintage tags or cards, and then these tags here that are ready. You could glue some strips of paper onto it, do some sewing. And then in your bag, we've got the 3 stamps and the washi tape. So this kit will be available through our newsletter and our Facebook sale. Thank you so much for watching.